Yeah, in the last classes we discussed about the list also. Okay. So can you tell me the definition of the list? Anyone?
Ma'am, list is a collection of values or ordered sequence of items.
Which type of values it can be?
Characters and numbers.
Character values as well, decimal values as well, integer value
Yes,
as
ma'am.
well, and strings as well. Right? It can be the collection of strings also. Right? See, this is the list here. So we are defining this list is this is a collection of strings. Is this okay? This is a collection of strings. English and Hindi are strings here, and these are the integer numbers here. Right? So after that, it is updating its value. Okay, first of all, it is creating that particular list. Okay, then after that, list at 2. What will be the value at 2? Second place?
1997.
997. Right, so it will give
1997.
it will give the value 1997. Okay, then 2 to 3, it is overwriting the value 2001 and 2002 at second and third place. Okay, what is the second and third place? This one is second and third place. So at that place, it is giving the values there. Okay, now values available at index 2. Value available at index 2. The list 2. It is giving the values at list 2. Okay, list 3. It is giving the values at list 3. Right. So updated value it is giving 2001. I think I hope this is clear to all. Right. Append and extend also we discussed in the last classes. Have you done that? Done the practice for append and what was the difference between these two? Who will tell? Who will tell what is the difference between these two? Hurry up. Think and then talk. Batao fadafat. Answer is already given on the screen.
Ma'am, append can add only one value while extend is used to add multiple values.
Exactly. Append add only one element and extend is used to add multiple items in a list, right? Okay, what is the other difference? We can give the multiple elements in the append also. We can give the multiple elements in the append also, but it will assume it a single element there. तो क्या करेगा? If you are giving 5 elements to this list, so 5 elements to the collection of 5 elements, it will become one element. It means as a nested list it will work. वो bracket के अंदर bracket डालकर कर देगा. I think these examples we have already done in the last classes. See. See, okay, this one is the example here. Instead of this, we have already discussed in the last classes also. See, this is the result after giving one more element here. Okay, instead of this, if I'm just appending a particular list there, हम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हैं? Like in this way, we are extending a particular if we are writing this particular thing. अभी ये देखो कहाँ गया? Yeah. comment there. See, you can, it is adding only one value in the sequence, but in the extend it's adding that value. Sorry, don't be confused in that, because I have not changed that. Okay, if we are doing extend, then we need to give the extend here. Okay, so that's why it was not doing according to that. I think in the last class we have already discussed. I'm not getting the answer. I'm just this will be the answer, right? List before extend and list after extend. Now see, I'm just doing minor changes in that. Instead of extend, we are writing append. Is this okay? Changing the comment part also. So what will happen there? See, what is the difference here? In the last for extend, values, it was giving
मैम आपकी वॉइस लैग हो रही है.
values in a particular order in the sequence. We Is there any doubt? Am I audible, class?
Ma'am, your voice is lagging.
Yes, ma'am, you are not
Yes,
perfectly
ma'am.
audible.
Okay, I'm just trying. Okay, are you able to see the result?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then after that listen. After that, I'm just joining with the mobile data. Just wait for a second only. Okay. Yeah, देखो. The result is here. It means it is adding that list with the nested list. It means its location will be 0, 1. At the second place, it is assuming it as a single element there. ये एक single element की तरह उसको assume करके ये काम कर रहा है. Okay, so this is the difference between extend and append. Kindly take the photo, then I'm joining with another. Take the taken. I'm join. अभी भी प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है बेटा? Cracking? Cracking? आई थिंक बच्चों को ना आवाज ही नहीं सुनाई दे रही है मेरी।
मैम अब आ रही है, बीच में कट रही थी बहुत।
चलो मैं थोड़ा सा ना कैमरा ऑफ कर लिया, हो सकता है इस वजह से थोड़ा सा नेटवर्क ठीक हो जाए। अगर हो प्रॉब्लम तो बताना। माई मोबाइल इज ऑन द टॉप फ्लोर, सो दैट्स व्हाई, नहीं तो लाना पड़ेगा। I think you can try with that also. Please try in your computers, all of you. Try all the entries of append and extend, because this is very important. You should try. Do it in your computers, all of you. Whatever I was doing. See this one.
Ma'am, in the upcoming exams, ma'am, whatever the theory part is there in our book about loops and nested loop also, that will also come.
Yes. Nested loop we have already done. Loops, jump statements.
Ma'am,
all
but
these
we have
things.
done the ma'am coding part of it, so ma'am, the theory will also come.
Theory, what is the theory there, beta? The technical theory will be only the, okay, in your part. So kindly read each and every line. Whatever I'm teaching.
Ma'am, which chapters
Say if
will
I'm
be
asking,
coming in the
I'm
paper?
asking, yeah, I'm asking one question from you, that what is the difference between append and extend, tell me. So this will be theory part. Okay, and technically if we are writing the program, that will be the practical part. Okay.
Ma'am,
And
also in
the maximum theory I have already discussed in the classes. What is keyword, what is identifier, what is literal, okay, what are the different types of literals, keywords, okay, all those things you need to learn the
okay,
definitions.
ma'am.
Okay, we have already discussed all this theory part. If there is any another specific theory, then kindly tell me. Okay, I will in class. If you have
Ma'am,
any doubt, you can send the click the photo of that. Okay, we will discuss in the class.
ma'am, like in this chapter of loops, we are given pseudo loop, pseudo code, and decision trees, so that will also come.
Beta, pseudocode, what is pseudocode? Basically, to the coding we are saying the pseudocode. Okay, kindly do the coding. Don't do any another things. Okay, only algorithm. Algorithm. Actually, whenever we are designing some programs, what is algorithm basically? What is algorithm?
The way to design a
If we are
program.
The way to approach.
designing a particular process, of a particular program. Okay, in the steps you can write number one, number two. Let's say for adding the two numbers, what will be the algorithm for that? First of all, input first number, input second of these two numbers and transfer this. In the third number, print that number. For that, in the simple English statement you can write. Otherwise, only you need to do practice of programming. Okay, fine. To the program you can tell the pseudocode also.
Okay, ma'am.
Anything else? Okay, kindly read that. If you are facing some doubt, take the screenshot and we will discuss in the class. Or directly you can ask your theory part. Okay?
Ma'am, I have sent you a number. Please add that number to the class group.
Okay, send the number personally. Then I will send the link.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am. I have sent one number, but I'll also send another number. Please add both of them to the class group. I'll send
Actually,
personally.
saving all these numbers, it is not possible for me also. So I will send the link, right? Then you can join the group.
Okay, ma'am.
Have you done that, all of you? I have downloaded
Yes,
your
ma'am.
attendance first. Some students are joining late. Very late, in fact. Do the append and extend have you done? How many students have done? Kindly raise your hand. Chalo. We should plan for the next one. Next things. Add item to a list. Okay, using append and extend we have already done, so you will be able to do that. Okay, see, this is the concatenation operator. It means if we are giving two lists there, so we are adding the values in that list. Okay, plus symbol for adding two lists, plus symbol will be used for merging the list. For merging the list. Okay. List. Delete item from a list. Delete item from a list. 1, 2, 3 is here. List before delete. List is given here. List 1 is given here. See, 1 is given here. So list after deletion. The list is here. Okay. The delete. It is deleting the element from the list, it means. Right? So it is deleting the element. If it is giving 1 there, so what item will be deleted? It is giving 1. The first item delete hoga or second one?
Second one.
Second one, because place value of the second is 2 is 1. So it will start from the 0. Okay, for getting the place value of that. Okay. See, these things I think we have already discussed about that. Right, length. How can you calculate the length? 3 will be the length. This is concatenation operator. This is called your replication operator. It means multiple times string can be replicate, string can be display. Okay, so this is the string CS exclamation sign, then multiply by 4. It means it is replicating that values. 4 times it is giving that value. Okay, 3 in, 4, 2 and 3. So in, it means membership operators, it is checking in or not in. If it instead of this in, if we are writing 3 not in, 4 2 3, what will be the answer?
False.
False. Okay, because we are putting membership operator not in there. Okay, 3 in, 4 to 3, it means it is true because this is already existing in that list. Okay, this is the iteration part of that list. This is simple. Everyone knows about it. In the list also you can check because we are not giving the range here. Basically, what is the loop? For I in range 1 to 11. So it will start from 1 to 10. Okay, but instead of that, it is doing in this way. 4x in 4 to 3. 4x in 4 to 3. X it is giving according to that 4 to 3 iteration part. Right? Iteration part it is giving. Okay. Append हो गया, extend हो गया, insert हो गया, remove हो गया. You can try all these examples. Okay, in the last class, yes, I got it. In the last class we done, I think search also. Search also done, we done in the last class for searching element from the list. Linear search. Have we done that? This one. Linear search we done.
Yes, ma'am.
We didn't, na? So have you done the linear search at home? Kindly do it right now. Kindly do it right now. Linear search. What do you mean by the linear search? If in the sequence you search a particular element from the list, this is very important. It's starting from the 0th place. So it will search that element from the starting position. Okay, it will start from the starting position. 0, 2, 8.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
In the whole. Is it my
Your
voice
is
cracking
cracking very
again?
much. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you do that in
Yes,
your
ma'am.
computer, all of you? Is there the screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, kindly do the linear search in your computer. One student recently joined. Who is this? Tell me fast.
Akansha.
Why Akansha? Network?
My phone got hung and Teams wasn't responding, so it took a bit of time.
I'm not able to listen your voice. Kindly call me later.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done, all of you. Kindly do all. And let me know about it that is this clear or not.
I'm done.
Done. Sorting we will do in the next classes. Okay, so today we will do the bubble sort and insertion sort. What do you mean by the sorting?
Ma'am, to arrange any.
arrange the data in the ascending or in the descending order. That is called the sorting. We have the two kinds of sorting. Okay, we have two kinds of searching in fact. Okay, two kinds of searching we have, but in your 11th class there is only linear search. There is only linear search, but in the next class I will try to give some instruction for the binary search as well, because in the last session also we did it in the class 11, right? So there are two kinds of searching. Okay, first one is linear search and second one is binary search. What is the difference between these two? Only difference I'm just telling. Okay, what is the difference between the two? In the linear searching, in the linear search, as you are doing, okay, you are doing recently, na? So in that search, we can only search the value one by one from a given list. Okay, for a given element, we can search that data from a list one by one after getting the index value of that particular list. Let's say it was the list there. Okay, whenever we were checking that particular element, that it was checking that element from the 0 position, from first position, second position, third position. It was checking the element, the value of that X in the list. Got it? Now another example is this sorting, right? In the sorting is the process of arranging items systematically according to a comparison operator applied on the elements. Okay, sorting is the process of arranging items systematically, okay, according to a comparison operator applied on a element. It means arrange the data in a particular order, in the ascending order or in the descending order. So it will arrange that data in a particular order. That is the part of sorting, which is given on the picture also. Okay, in the ascending order or in the descending order, it can show the data. It means two kinds of sorting there. So first of all, the Python is introducing two kinds of sorting. So first of all, bubble sort, and second one, insertion sort. Bubble sort and the insertion sort. Okay, in the bubble sort, we will compare the two elements there. How? I'm just showing one diagram there. Only the techniques we will discuss today. Then after that, algorithm we will do in the next class. Right, bacho? Okay, so according to the bubble sort, what will be the algorithm there? Let's say if sorting is given there, one value is given there. Okay, the 15, 14, 12, 11 and 13 is given there. Okay, then as per the algorithm of the bubble sort, it will check two numbers there. ये दो numbers का bubbling बनाकर उसको क्या करेगा, चेक करेगा. It will check two numbers here. 15, it will check to 15 to with 14. Okay, is there the 14 is lesser or 15 is lesser? So this one is lesser than the next number 14. Then it will check to 15 or 12, right? Then 12 to next number. So it will check two numbers. Dekho, see, it is checking the two numbers here at the last of the numbers. So it is checking two numbers here, and which one is smaller or which one is larger. So it will arrange according to that. This is the part of bubble sort. Bubble sort में जो भी आपकी list है, दो numbers को वो check करता है, two numbers को वो check करता है. First two numbers, the next two numbers, the next two numbers, the next two numbers. Okay, up to the last, and arrange that number. Finally, it will get the sorted data. See, in the gray part, it is given there 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Is this okay? So we will do that in the next or other classes, the full algorithm of the bubble sort. Till then, you need to do one example of my choice. I'm just giving weight. See, write a program. See, write a program to find. Write a program to find the maximum, minimum, and average from the list. You need to put our list. It means declare a list. After that, you need to calculate the minimum, maximum, and average of the list. Is this okay? Is this okay, बच्चों? Till then, I'm just taking your attendance. Wait. I need to fill the data in your class register. Okay, I'm just starting to fill the instructions in the class register. So it will not be rectified. Okay, so kindly try to join on time. Okay, if your joining will be late in the class, then I will not give attendance because I will not modify my register. From the next class, directly I will take attendance in the register. Why it is not opening? Yes, Akansha.
Present, ma'am.
Akansha. Arav Grewal.
Present.
Arav Sharma. Agnish,
Present, ma'am.
Aishwarya,
Present, ma'am.
Akshita,
Present, ma'am.
Amman to Amma,